So guys, in this short lecture, we are going to discuss what is JavaScript and what are the, we can say, payloads that we will be using in this section or in our upcoming life of hacking. So to make things clear upfront, JavaScript is different from the Java programming language. So Netscape named it JavaScript purely for marketing reasons. So as the Java programming language was gaining popularity during that time, so in dynamic web application, JavaScript is used for widely, we can say, wide variety of tasks and can be embedded, we can say, in the HTML pages to retrieve data from the several sources to build the web page. So a simple example would be a social networking websites using JavaScript to build a profile page by loading the profile image, user details, and old posts for several locations. So some of ways in which JavaScript is used in HTML code. Now let's see them. So the first one is script tag. Okay, so the first one is script tag. So let me first change the color. So I have choose this color. So first one we are having a script tag. So okay, so this is our payload. As you can see, this is our payload. Okay guys, so as you can see that the script tag, so what it is doing here, so JavaScript can be embedded directly in the web page using a script tag. So as you can see this thing, so whenever this command will execute, it will simply pop up a box like this. Okay, it will pop up a box like this, which is simply alerting the user that XXXD, whatever written inside these double quotes, it will reflect on this particular dialog box. So this is the this is why we use Java script tag. Then later we are having body tag. So this script can also be embedded using the onload event in the body tag. Okay guys, so this will simply alert you if you this. So the payload is starting from here. So it will do the same work like script tag. Then we are having image. So this is nothing but this tag can be used to execute a JavaScript and which is often used for malicious purposes. So we are going to see all of them, don't worry. Okay guys, so there are some other tags such as iframe, divide and link are also used to embed script in HTML page. So JavaScript can be used to not only retrieve information from the web server, but also to perform the DOM, we can say document object model, which is called as DOM script. And it has access to web browser data and operating system properties. So JavaScript was actually designed to run in a very restricted environment with limited access to the underlying operating system. But even with the limited accesses, we can say, limited access, a JavaScript loaded in the web browser can be used to do some nasty stuff. So when JavaScript is loaded in the web browser, so it can access the cookies assigned to the user session and access the URL history. So cookies are often used as a session identifiers. If the attacker can steal them, they can gain control over the session. Also, JavaScript has the access to simply entire DOM of the web page and can modify the HTML page, which simply can lead to a defacing of the web page. So this is how JavaScript works in case of accesses. In the next lecture, we are going to see some more things about Java's we can say cross-site scripting.